how to find administrator's email on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click settings and then go to this one, miscellaneous, click on it, and now go to this one, administrator's email. Now remove it and then type here any email you want now, and then just click save and it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.